Keaton, what are you doing today?
Sweet potatoes. We just cut all these sweet potatoes. Come show the work. You got a zoom in right here.
And what are you going to do with the sweet potatoes?
And what someone else is going to do with these sweet potatoes is, I guess, make sweet potato pie or something. With marshmallow.
Don't make me. So you start by putting a pound of butter and melt it. This is 2 cups of sugar. Melt the brown sugar in 1 pound of butter. Any questions? Brown sugar and white sugar. Melt it all in a pan. Brown sugar, white sugar, vanilla, cinnamon. And what was that? Nutmeg?
That's the thing.
Nutmeg, cloves.
But other than that,
I would
Alabama,
say.
you already know all this is going to be on Lifetime next week.
No, it's not.
Something that Noella did.
Going twice, huh?
More vanilla.
Yeah, I'm trying to. Yeah. You want it like this or smoother?
So we poured the sauce and the sweet potatoes, mixing it, and it's going to go into the oven.
Yeah. We're all going to get fat from it.
Well, just for 1 day. So that's okay. Wow, it's beautiful. It's going in the oven. How long?